Hello, my name is Alejandra Crespo. I study electrical mechanical engineering. My topic is about scalable industrial Ethernet to accelerate Industry 4.0. In response to Industry 4.0, data demands industrial Ethernet has profiled as technology of choice for industrial homes given the increased bandwidth and flexibility it can support. Accelerating the path to Industry 4.0, analog device industrial Ethernet portfolio is designed to accelerate the transition to Industry 4.0 by enabling seamless connected devices with fast, secure, robust industrial communication. I present a video about the topic.
The general problem is that the digitalization of the factory today is changing the cybersecurity risk. And as information becomes more accessible and needs to be shared in real time to be able to make decisions in the factory, the cybersecurity risk changes. And devices need to become more capable and security hardened in order to protect the integrity of that data and have confidence in the decisions that are being made. The challenge is trying to meet security standards while increasing data availability in a time-sensitive network that previously relied on proprietary protocols and firewalls to guard against cyber attacks. Connected devices become access points to the broader system infrastructure, requiring these devices to have security to protect the integrity of that system. ADI is providing a security solution on our industrial control switches that reside at the edge of the industrial control loop, providing security functionalities such as secure boot, secure update, and secure communications. This will help customers meet the security standards in the industrial market. These new capabilities are integrated with our multi-protocol switch with TSN features that will control industrial applications via OPC UA. By combining security with TSN, ADI is enabling a state-of-the-art communication solution that resides at the edge of the industrial control systems network that provides customers with the means of adopting Industry 4.0 solutions. If you'd like to receive more information on industrial control system solutions, please visit our website at analog.com.
ADI Chronos. ADI Chronos is a complete portfolio of industrial Ethernet technologies, solutions, software, and security capabilities designed to connect the real world to factory networks and beyond to the cloud. It comprises a range of advanced industrial Ethernet technology for real-time Ethernet switches to physical transceivers and network interface modules that include protocol stacks, process control, and factory automation. The increased data throughput in PLC is DCS controllers necessitates the adoption of gigabyte PHIS and switch technologies. Determines network performance in the requirement, and DI Chronos delivered off-the-shelf full factor solutions that reduce development effort and time to market with objective new standards.
Evolving and implementing advances to improve processes is a challenge permeating every area of industry. In areas such as logistics and assembly in the automotive industry, those companies that meet new technological challenges lead the way. Maviva has its own infrastructures and information systems, which it continuously refines to respond to the 21st century's 4.0 challenges. The company works 24 hours a day to offer the best solutions to customers like Constellium, PSA, Saint-Gobain, Delphi, and Gestamp.
La digitalización y comunicación de nuestros sistemas nos permiten diseñar procesos a medida y una trazabilidad casi perfecta. Los retos tecnológicos son siempre a corto plazo, seguridad e innovación permanente. El 4.0 nos permite analizar y actuar de manera rápida y eficiente. Esta filosofía nos sitúa como una empresa estratégica y un apoyo para el resto de la compañía.
The company offers 4.0 logistical solutions for its customers' supply chains. Robots devised for windshield assembly allow for excellent levels of productivity. The company boasts a 3D laboratory to carry out control processes in search of the highest quality parts, guaranteeing their traceability through continuous inspections.
En esta planta producimos Crash Management System, que son soluciones de aluminio para la industria de la automoción. En esta misma planta llevamos 3 años trabajando con Maviva, que nos aporta valor añadido en nuestras operaciones cada día. Maviva nos ayuda en el uso cotidiano de las herramientas modernas que son clave dentro de una planta como esta. La necesidad de trazabilidad de cada pieza, operación por operación, es algo que Maviva conoce bien y nos ayuda a implementarlo cada día en nuestras operaciones.
The company has also implemented new tools in its processes, such as Pick-to-Voice, which provides for direct verbal communication between the managing computer system and the workers in the order preparation area. Thanks to 4.0 technology and digital transformation, companies have managed to satisfy their clients' expectations, with advances such as increased efficiency of their logistics chain, a reduction in response time, or increased reliability of their industrial processes.
Connected motion and robotics control. Multi-axis synchronization and precision motion control are critical to high-quality manufacturing machine in the Industry 4.0. Today, real-time Ethernet is widely used in the motion control system, wherever the synchronization only involves data traffic between the network master and the Scalable. This improves machine and production quality in multi-axis applications such as robotics and CNC machines.
Single pair Ethernet, infrastructure for the world of tomorrow. Industry is in flux. Digital connectivity and modularity are penetrating industrial technology and enabling highly flexible production. But often in the final layers of automation, connectivity still comes up against structural barriers. How can these barriers be overcome? With Single Pair Ethernet, or SPE for short, the next generation of Ethernet technology, which for decades has been one of the main arteries of industrial digitalization. SPE takes Ethernet connections, which traditionally have either 2 or 4 pairs of cables, and narrows them down to just 1 pair. This saves space and enables comprehensive, standardized communication between many devices via the Ethernet protocol. That way, SPE can rely on existing structures and lengthens the reach between active components to 1,000 meters. The support of power over data line, time-sensitive networking, and OPC unified architecture result in maximum flexibility and availability, protecting application security even in time-critical scenarios. The bottom line: Single Pair Ethernet is the key technology for Industry 4.0 and the Industrial Internet of Things. The old hierarchy of devices is being replaced by a multitude of smart devices which are connected according to consistent standards from the sensor all the way up to the cloud. That's how SPE enables flexible production processes and innovative solutions for every type of application. Single Pair Ethernet, infrastructure for the world of tomorrow.
Operational environment, securing the edge of the factory control network to establish a resilient and trusted architecture, allowing the circular connected of robots, drivers, and production machines within integrated TSN network, providing means for adaptation and correction as required in a highly time-critical environment. Accelerating the path to Industry 4.0 by assuring machine worker safety and reliable operation, product quality, item throughput, production efficiency, and production methods and consignings. Power over Ethernet. AD's portfolio of Power over Ethernet solution enables power delivery of the same cable as the data signals, making this technology ideal for serving remote locations. ADI solutions for both power source and power device are complex and interoperable in the latest standard delivering up to 90 watts of power to a device. Key features of Industry 4.0 include vertical networking of production systems, logistic procurement, and other industrial and business processes. Horizontal network working of systems, linking multiple participants in the production process, include designers, manufacturers, suppliers, warehouse logistics, customers, and ultimate preference consumers. Integrate engineering in which of the factual solutions integrate in which of the horizontal, like in participants in the production process, share common data, facilitating development of new designs, production systems, and business models. Accelerating of new technology adoption throughout design, production, and supply process.
In a factory setting, Ethernet is replacing traditional serial field bus and becoming the network of the enterprise. One key advantage of this transition to Ethernet is to seamlessly get information from the manufacturing side of the factory to the front office. Ethernet on the manufacturing side is called Industrial Ethernet and uses various protocols such as Profinet and Ethernet IP to keep production moving. Ethernet on the office side is Standard Ethernet and is used to distribute production information to various management systems. The Internet of Things and big data analytics are driving the flow of information, causing the line to be blurred between networks on the manufacturing side and the office side of the factory. In addition, there are many different types of Ethernet traffic protocols and topologies that can affect what traffic factory devices see. Over time, network traffic will increase by orders of magnitude as factories evolve to become more efficient, improve quality, and support big data. Network traffic can vary greatly, and when traffic increases, the operation of factory devices can be affected, which can lead to slowdowns and stoppages. Further, these traffic loading problems will be compounded as the use of industrial Ethernet networks grow. In order to solve this problem, Analog Devices has developed technology that provides determinism at the node for factory devices, so they do not have to worry about the effects of network traffic. This means device operation in the production line continues flawlessly, receiving and transmitting its data regardless of network infrastructure changes, network management queries, or network data storms. Determinism at the node is achieved using a combination of hardware and software that separates real-time I/O messages from standard Ethernet messages. This guarantees better connectivity by allowing messages to arrive on time every time with extremely low jitter. Typically, less than 2% for Ethernet IP and 0.5% for Profinet, so your facility will operate more efficiently with less downtime. Analog Devices calls determinism at the node priority channel technology. And when your company uses Analog Devices products with priority channel technology, your automation devices will run faster and smoother, eliminating the risk of slowdowns and network load failures, even as factory networks and traffic grow, saving your company time and money.
It has As a conclusion, technology access to data can make Industry 4.0 current reality. The speed and scale of future technology development ensure that I 4.0 will become a common feature of manufacturing industry within a few years. The benefits of adopting I 4.0 strategy to deliver smart manufacturing is clear: increase efficiency, increase productivity, increase flexibility, reduce downtime, reduce time to market, greater competitiveness, and increase profitability. The road of detailation to achieve this goal may be challenged, but be approached detect in a structured manner, ensuring the return on investment can be seen for each phase of the project. Delivering smart manufacturing is very possible to achieve today, in which further technology advances acquiring what will be possible will clearly change the way we operate in the future. Thank you for your attention.